Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. Now, before we get started with this week's episode, I have a question for you. So, we're preparing for our super chat, and we want you to tell us, what day do you want to chat on? So if you click on the icon right there in the little corner, let us know what day works best for you. So you're going to have two choices. The first is going to be on a Friday at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time or on a Saturday afternoon Central Standard Time. So be sure to vote so that you can get the date you want for our super chat. So this week's request comes from one of our community members by the name of Tawny. And she writes, "Hi, MissPlanIt." Hi, Tawny. "I am coordinating a 70th birthday celebration for my sister." Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Her theme is plums for centerpieces. She likes a lot of bling and sparkle. Don't we all, Tawny? Her colors are deep purple, bright gold, and white. The event will be coming up soon. There will be a candy station, and she has lots of favorite candies. Her table setting will have bright gold trim and purple and gold utensils and just wonderful things. This is our inspiration piece for Tawny's sister's 70th birthday celebration. I am so excited to show you just how easy this centerpiece is going to be to create. So guess what, Tawny? We would love to be a part of your sister's 70th birthday celebration. So here's our contribution. Okay, guys, let's get started. To create the base for our centerpiece, we're going to go ahead and square off this foam block. Once we've squared it off, just simply take a foam cutter, or guess what? If you don't have a foam cutter, a serrated knife will work just fine, and cut off the excess. So I prefer Mod Podge over your standard, say, Elmer's glue when I am adhering glitter to my foam bases. You're simply going to paint it on, just like you would paint, and make sure you saturate it pretty well so that you don't have a lot of excess glitter falling off. So you have two options when attaching the disc to the square. You can use floral pins, which is what I've used. I just inserted them at a slant, or you can actually use hot glue. As long as you don't put glitter on the bottom of your disc, you can use hot glue to attach it to the square. Now I'm just adding anywhere between 8 and 10, 12 to 14 inch long purple ostrich feathers to the round disc of my base. You're going to use the same technique to adhere the glitter to your Eiffel Tower vase. Now, I will say with the vase, I always like to, after the glitter has dried, to spray it with a clear acrylic spray paint, just to set the glitter so you don't have so much flaking off when you're setting your tables or when you're using the decorations. Just a little tip. You don't have to use it, but that's one of the things that I do. So let's bring on the bling. I went ahead and started with a center gem garland that's right at about 6 inches long. And then I played with some on either side of it that ranged between 4 and 5 inches long. Now here's the thing. You attach them with floral pins, and I would suggest trimming the floral pins down by half using your wire cutters, okay, so that they don't poke out the other side. Now, if the floral pin happens to stick out the other side, just use your wire cutters and cut them flush with your foam base. Now, the important thing is here, guys, is to trust yourself and create your own pattern. Remember, we at MissPlanIt, we want to give you the plan, but we also want you to trust yourself, take it, and run with it. Have fun. There's nothing permanent about it. If you don't like it, pull out the floral pin and try it again. So have fun, guys. Well, Tawny, we hope this adds that extra special touch to your sister's very special 70th birthday party. We want to thank you for allowing us to be a part of your special day, and we just are so excited to see your finished product, Tawny. Don't forget, post one of your finished products on our Facebook or Instagram page. We would love to see it. If you like this video, go ahead and like us, write a comment, encouraging words. All of those things mean so much to us here at MissPlanIt, where we work very hard to bring your visions to life. In addition, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget, if we can help you with the project, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the easy steps. Also, check out our awesome blog posts, take a look at our wonderful coupons, and don't forget, the written and picture instructions are all right there for you. If you didn't take our poll, go ahead and rewind this video back to the beginning, click on that icon, and let us know what day you would like to super chat with us here at MissPlanIt. Well, guys, that brings us to a close of another episode of MissPlanIt. Thank you so much for joining us. We know you have so many options, and so we really appreciate you picking us. Well, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you soon. Take care. God bless.